If you are currently using Kajabi and you've been kind of struggling or curious about what video software you could use to either create more content quickly or to repurpose your content to generate more leads, get more exposure for your platform, etc., you're in luck because Kajabi just announced a new feature that's really early on in beta called Creator Studio. So here's what Kajabi had to say about this new upcoming feature. Creator Studio enables you to quickly and easily create video clips from existing course content, spend minutes, not hours, creating polished course previews, marketing ready video clips, and engaging social media content. That means if you would like to get access to this new beta feature, because this is stuff that appeals to you, you'll want to submit your request to join the beta through the link below this video. Now, currently, Kajabi is only accepting 1,000 people into the beta. I won't be able to actually show any videos or really talk about it because of the agreement that they'll make you sign. But once the beta is made public in terms of the features, I will definitely be doing a video on what this new feature includes. The feedback on it has been amazing so far, and there's only more cool stuff to come. So as I said, if this is something you've been looking for, a built-in video editing creation suite to quickly repurpose your courses, your live webinars, etc., this is probably a tool you'll want to check out. In order to get into the beta, of course, you need to have a Kajabi account. So if you don't already have a Kajabi account, you can use the special link below this video to get an extended trial access to Kajabi, and it comes with a couple bonuses that I've also tossed in, and then you can use that account to apply for your beta access and use both at the exact same time. I look forward to seeing your feedback on this new feature, and are you excited to have a built-in editing suite for your content to quickly get videos out onto social media, TikTok, Instagram, you name it, as well as transcripts, etc.? Let me know. Comment below. In the meantime, if you want to stay updated on new features, news as it relates to Kajabi, make sure to subscribe and check out this video next, which Google thinks you'll enjoy.